Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll read about what is means application of computer. In 1950s, computer were gained special purpose machine that were used by institutions like government and universities. They are used for performing complex numerical tasks such as calculating and precious orbits of Mars, planning of trajectories of missiles, etc. These are that earlier we are using computer. Then nowadays, in 1960, the business world started computer for commercial purpose, and 1970, invention of personal computer revolutionized the world. And today, computers are being used in every field of life. So, first one is computer in business. In business, how computer is used? Business are used for budgeting, accounting, billing, reporting, presentations, etc. In business, anytime you go to a bank or a railway reservation counter or pay the electricity or phone bills, you are benefiting from the power and speed of computers. Means nowadays it is easy for us also online we are able to pay the fees, and then while going their particular office to pay the bill also, they are using the computers, and it is easy for us. Then computer at home. Computers are used for education and entertainment in home. At home, computers are used for writing letters, reports, emails, playing games, chatting, listening music, creating small publication, etc. These are we are using at home while we are having computer. Then medicine and healthcare. In the field of medicine, computers are used for diagnosing, monitoring the patient, curing ailments, surgery, etc. With the nowadays, you see, while going for any test or any test, means CT scan test or sonography or X-ray. They are all in medical fields. They are using this computer. Then computer can use to control tiny reverse cameras, which can take pictures inside the body and help doctor to make diagnosis. Means with the help of this camera, with this dynamic camera, the doctors are able to see what the disease or what happened to a patient, what cause is there inside the body of that particular patient, like this. Then also medical students learning surgery can practice operating through virtual reality. With the help of this, we are able to read something and learn something with the help of this virtual reality. Then communications. Computers can be effectively used for communicating with people in different parts of the world. You can send emails to your friends, relatives who live in different countries. People who are in different cities can have a meeting online by video conferencing. You can chat with the different people on the internet. Events occurring at one place can be viewed almost instantly all across the world through computer network. These are how with the help of this we are using computer. Means computers means if your relatives or friends are there in other city or other country, then it is easy to talk with them with the help of this computer and having the internet connection. While doing the video call also, we are able to do with the help of this. Then education. Computers are effectively used in classrooms, museums and libraries. In classroom, computers are used to develop science projects, prepare reports and gather information. Students can collaborate on projects to share their work using computer technology. In a library, people can read magazines, journals directly from the computer terminals. Nowadays, online learning and training is possible through network, virtual classrooms or reality these days. Means seriously, these days we are doing this with the help of this network, with the help of this computer and smartphone. We are able to teach the student, and you are able to learn from that particular classrooms. Then science, research and engineering. Scientists and engineers use these computer tools, experiment design for develop different ideas, and research also do with the help of this. Then computers are used to study and research various such as the natural disaster, means earthquake on building, pollution on the weather. These are the different it is easy to learn from the computer. Then manufacturing, in power plant generate the electricity, computer can monitor pressure and temperature of 100 critical points through plant. This, then police department also, they were recording the criminals stolen car. The records of means they are maintaining the database of crimes, records of criminal stolen car, and the license of particular those who uh, gain the information, like owner of the car license. And this, it means if you want some information about that particular vehicle, then it is easy for us to find out the owner of that particular vehicle. Then government, means government nowadays, government various things such as doing with the help of this computer, means calculation as per the captcha, income tax. Then computer are used by government to collect and process the store vast amount of information. Then nowadays means it is easy for doing booking the reservation tickets also, with railway reservation, airways, income tax processing, all this with done with the help of computer. Then military persons make computer crucial tasks like computing trajectories of missiles to find out the different tasks. Then music also, we are able to make music, the remix music also we are listening nowadays. And if you want to make your own music, then you are able to do. Then theater, film and television, you are knowing within film and television theater, too much sound effects and lighting effects are there. This will happen with the help of this computer. Then cartoon animations also there, with the help of this we are able to make the cartoon and move that cartoon. Then weather forecasting, how to find the weather, with the help of this it is easy to show what about the temperature, then rainfall, snowfall of that particular areas, and it will be predicted 2 or 3 days. Means suppose example is given here, cyclone can be predicted 2 or 3 days prior with their occurrence. Then robotics deal with design, construction, and use robots. This technology or help machine to substitute electronic also, these were the perform necessaries. Then classification of computer means it is based on size, technology, and purpose. So microcomputer are computers whose central processing unit is central processing CPU is a microprocessor, and it is a single user computer and at least expensive. Then desktop, personal computer, laptop, workstation, this embedded computers, smartphone, tablet, these are the part of this microcomputers. Then mini computers are more powerful, and microcomputers in terms of this power capabilities, mini computers are more powerful than microcomputer. These are mainly multi-users systems which work on them. Then mainframe computer have more memory, speed, and capabilities than workstation, are usually shared by multiple users through a series of interconnected computers. They control business and industries here. Then at last, supercomputer is given here. Supercomputer is most powerful computers that are used to process complex and time consuming calculations. They are based on the large business, means where you are using the supercomputer in the large business, then scientific institutions and military. This then here no more to know, it is given here. Forecasting of hurricane, supercomputer can predict the track of spiraling hurricane in time to warn people of its approach. Means that the news also you are able to listen that after tomorrow or day after tomorrow if possible, means they predicted 2 or 3 days before about the cyclone, and they alert all the people, those who are living nearby sea, like this. Then again machine are fed with thousands of atmospheric measurements to produce pictures showing how weather will develop over the next few hours. This all with the help of this computer. And let's recapitulate, you this learn this, and this all fill in the blanks. This all you have to fill in your computer book only. And question answers, question number 1 to 5 you have to write in your computer notebook. And scientific zone means it is there in the book, it is written as HOTS. This hot question or scientific zone question you have to write in your practical notebook according to chapters. Yes. So next class we'll start the new chapter. Thank you.